our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What kind of drinks do you have?
I will have some fruit juice.
I'll have a cup of coffee. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. What fruit juice do you want to make? Melon, pear, kiwi. I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. This is what the customer ordered. Get ready to grind some coffee beans. Turn the lever to see what happens. Look, it's turned into powder. Heat it up a little bit more. There are many coffee cups. I'll pick one. It smells sweet. Lastly, decorate it nicely. Awesome. Fragrant coffee is done. Here's your order. Fruit juice. Coffee. Welcome to our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table. Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What kind of desserts do you have? I'll have a slice of pizza.
I'll have a sandwich. This is what the customer ordered. Spread a layer of sauce on the dough. What toppings do you want to put on your pizza? Tomato, 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 tomato. Mushrooms, mushrooms, mushrooms. With cheese, it'll taste even better. Put the pizza into the pizza oven and bake it. Wow, you've made a delicious pizza. what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Bake the bread first. Wow, mayonnaise is my favorite. These are full of fresh ingredients. Tomato, lettuce, bacon, tomato, lettuce. What a delicious sandwich! Here's your order. Pizza, sandwich. Welcome to our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table.
It's really delicious here.
Oh, the food is fantastic. Here's a coin. I want to order some food, please.
I heard they have good drinks.
I'll have a cake.
I'll have a cup of flower tea.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Mix the ingredients first. Awesome! Now pour them into the mold. Oh yeah! Now you can put it in the oven. Which cream do you like best? Chocolate flavor. Our delicious cake is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. What flower would you like to pick? Rose. Pour some hot water to open the leaves. Here's some healthy and tasty rose tea. Here's your order. Cake! Flower tea. Welcome to our cafe. You have customers. Show them to a table.
What?